In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for Amazon Flex as a driver. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's dive right in. To become an Amazon Flex driver, you'll need to follow several steps. First, you should check the requirements and locations in your area. Amazon Flex operates in various cities, and it's essential to confirm whether your city is served by the program before you start your application. Once you've confirmed your location, the second vital step is to ensure you meet the age requirements. You'll need to be at least 18 years old if you're using a two-wheeler, and 20 years old for three-wheelers. Next up, let's talk about vehicles. You'll need to have either a two-wheeler, a three-wheeler, or an e-bike that meets local safety standards. It's a good idea to make sure your vehicle is in good working condition and follows all necessary safety regulations. Now, let's discuss the documents you'll require for your application. You need to have a valid driving license, a PAN card, a registration certificate for your vehicle, an insurance certificate, and a pollution under control certificate. Make sure these documents are up to date, as they will be essential for your application. Additionally, you'll need a savings or current bank account. Why? Because payment for your deliveries will be deposited there. Also, a smartphone is necessary, preferably an Android or iPhone, equipped with a camera, GPS, and a reliable data connection. The Amazon Flex app is essential for your delivery work, so ensure that your phone meets the app's requirements. Once you've checked all those boxes, it's time to start the application process. Begin by downloading the Amazon Flex app from the appropriate app store. This is where your journey really begins. After downloading, you'll need to sign in. If you already have an Amazon account, go ahead and use that. If not, you can easily create a new account right from the app. Now, moving on to filling out your application. You'll enter your personal information and select your vehicle type during the onboarding process. It might feel like a lot, but take your time to fill it out accurately. Once you've done that, it's time to upload your required documents. You'll need to submit photos of your documents along with a selfie for verification purposes. It's important that the photos are clear and meet their requirements. Another step to consider is inputting your postal code and adding your delivery preferences, like the days and times you're available to work. This will help Amazon tailor your delivery opportunities to fit your schedule. After your application is submitted, a background check is conducted through a third-party service. Don't worry, if everything checks out, you will receive a confirmation. Once approved, you're all set to start delivering. You can reserve delivery blocks, pick up packages at designated Amazon stations, make deliveries, and of course, get paid for your hard work. And that's it. You're now ready to hit the road as an Amazon Flex driver. If you liked this video and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Happy delivering and good luck on your new journey as an Amazon Flex driver.